is an expression of thoughts in spoken words, and these parts are also called word classes.
Noun names a person, place, thing, animal, event, or idea.
The dog jumps towards its master. The dog fights with its reflection in the mirror. Pronoun substitutes a noun. The lady is hurt. She is hurt. Erica and Jude are in love with the fries. They are in love with the fries. Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. It's a beautiful sunset. The woman is walking in the field of flowers. Isn't she lovely? Verb states an action. Fish swim by moving their bodies and tail from side to side. A man is biking in the forest. Adverb describes a verb, adverb, or adjective. They look cool dancing with those roller skates. Jenny plays the piano well. Preposition is used before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase and describe another word in a sentence. The cat is walking over the piano keyboard. The tiger is walking inside the cage. Conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. I like their personalities, but not their vices. I have a test tomorrow, so I need to study tonight. Interjection is used to express strong emotion with an exclamation mark used at the beginning or end of a sentence. Yahoo! I feel like I'm flying. Congrats! You finally got your diploma.